The best thing about winters is the seasonal red carrots that show up. They are sweet in nature but can be used for sweet and spicy recipes alike. Today I'm going to make a spicy red carrot pancake. Let's see how it's made. Let's start with our veggies. Our main ingredient and the hero of this recipe are red carrots, which I have grated. You can also finely chop them if you like. Next I'm going to add in spring onion greens. These add a nice crunch and a pop of color as well. These are spring onion whites that I have chopped. In total, I have used 2 stalks of spring onion. Green garlic chives, these are also in season during the winter. If you can't find them, it's absolutely okay to skip them out. Chopped ginger, half a teaspoon. Some garlic which is chopped, around 3 to 4 cloves should be good enough. 1 green chilli which is finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder which has been roasted, a little bit of turmeric and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Salt to taste. Next I'm going to start adding in our flours. I'm using a mixture of 4 different flours today. First I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina or rava, 1/3 cup of oat flour. These are just quick oats that I've ground into a powder. And lastly, I'm adding in half a cup of besan. Instead of besan, you can also use jawar or bajra. The quantities will remain same. Now I'm going to toss this up to ensure all the flavors are mixed in properly and the vegetables are nicely dispersed into the batter. If you notice, the ratio of the vegetables to the flour is quite high, and that's why this recipe is so unique. Now I'm going to add in water to turn this into a batter. I'm just going to mix it first. Adding in a little more water. Looks perfect. The batter is neither runny nor too stiff. And this is how it should be. At this stage, you can rest the batter for 10 to 15 minutes to let the semolina soak up all of that moisture. I like to use it straight away because I like the crunchiness that the semolina brings in. So I'm going to add this batter to a hot tawa. I'm going to make small pancakes out of this. So I'm just taking a dollop full to the middle of the pan, spread it around and cook it on medium flame. Add in a little bit of oil from the sides and cook it till it's nice and golden brown. Let's flip it. It has a beautiful color on both sides now and it's firm to touch once poked. The carrot pancake is ready to come out of the hot pan. Let's make some more. Add a little bit of oil on the side. You will notice some bubbles on the surface and the pancake will start drying from the top. This is when you know that you're ready to flip. After flipping, add in a little bit more oil on the sides to get a nice and even color. Our red carrot pancakes are ready to serve. I'm going to serve this with a dollop of hung curd and lots of garlic chives. There's something very similar in the Korean cuisine called Korean pancakes that are made with potato starch. So as mentioned before, you can use any flour of your choice. And if you change up any of the flours, let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.